Hi, I'm Tanner Gilman from Stars Talent Studio. Look, I can't say that it's been easy. I don't even know if I can say that it's been worth it. All of this to find out if my dad is still alive when it honestly, it could go either way. But when I got the call, it pulled up some piece of me that I'd left buried. We just talked. It was his voice, and I went out to the borders of the city afterwards and just found this pond. It's just a pond to most people, but to me it's something a lot more. My parents used to take me there as a kid, and I don't know, I don't know how long I foolishly waited for them to come back. But I was hurt. I was angry. I was hopeless. And then I got the call again. And he said that I would have to do everything in my power to find him. And I promised him that I would. So yeah, call me crazy, but I wouldn't be coming to you if you weren't the last bit of hope I had left. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video, and hope I get the chance to work with you guys. Thanks.